Let's go to Balaki. Bigla ang lakad kasi walang kuryente. Yeah, let's go to Balaki. Dito na kami. O, yung dalawang bangad. Yan, baba. Ayan guys, biglaang lakad na naman to. Ayun, ayun, pasimuno oh, mga to oh. Pupuntahan ba naman kami sa bahay tapos kala ko magtatambay lang. Dahil marami kaming lakad ngayon tapos biglang nagyaya dito sa Balaki. Ngayon, nandito na kami. Dahil brown out, mainit dun sa bayan. Pupunta kami sa malamig na lugar pero mainit pa rin eh. Andat. Kaya enjoy na lang natin, samahan nyo kami rito.
Everyday, matatag.
O yan. Tawag niya sa akin dati dito, ano? Dito rigid. Papa-shoutout palagi to sa ano eh, pag nasasalubong ko kahit walang camera. MotoGen pa shoutout. Oh, ano naman camera. Ayan si Brian oh. Kanina niyaya kami papuntang Bulinaw. Hindi kami sumama dahil sabi namin marami kaming lakad. Tapos ngayon, biglang dumating tong dalawa, papa ko, saka si Luloy. Nasabihin, tara punta tayong Balaki. O, ngayon. Tara guys, dahil linggo ngayon, brown out. Punta natin yung mga ibang pandon. Titingin tayo kung may mga tropa tayo doon. Pasalan natin yung mga tropa. Yan, nagsisiligo na yung mga bata. O, si Brian. Ha? Dali nga, mahal dito ang asawa ko. Kaya nakabihis na ako. Tama natin yung mga kasama doon. Oo. Ano yan? Inihaw na uling?
Inihaw na uling!
Joke doon oh.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need rock in a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done, cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Sa uling. Tingnan nyo po. Yan, baka masunog pa po yan. Dahan-dahan lang.
Dahan-dahan lang, baka mabigla.
Magulat siya.
Sana all! Sana all! Oh. Oh, di ka na makabangon. Ayun si mama. Andun sila papa. Pupuntahan natin yon, pupuntahan natin yon. Ayun lang. Bibihis lang ako. Hoy, tara, ligo na tayo. Siyon! Sana oy! Ang lamig! Ang lamig! Lamig! Ay, wala, hindi ako makakarating doon!
MotoGen! 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 Shout out!
Ang layo na nila. Ganda yung damat. Ano? So yun guys, hapon na. Pauwi na kami. Tapos na yung mga drama dito. Yung brad ko, medyo pulang-pula na. Siguro pareho na kami. Laki niya, no? Yan, nandiyan na yung bangka namin. Yung nantay namin kasi dalawang biyahe kami, dalawang bangka. Ayun na yung bangka namin. So hapon na, mahangin na, pauwi na kami. Sobrang enjoy dahil nakasama ko yung pamilya namin, mama ko, papa ko. Yan guys, subscribe to my channel, MotoGen RM. Thank you. Ano, kaya ba? Tula. Tulak tayo, tulak. Ay, yun lang. Jen, tulak tayo, tulak. Oh. Wait. Pero paano ba ako aakyat sa taas?
Lang kayo lang.
Dito. Oh, dito kami. Batigat pa.
Ay pa! Ayan, dami ito.
Yan. Nakakyat na ako. Ay, si Papa, oh. Wow! Wait, wheel! Yan. Thank you, guys. see you on my next vlog.